Okay, Yoshi, did you know there are some very nice people who have given you some money? Yeah, and if we look closely, we can see that the hair on your face is starting to grow back. You've got some little whiskers, that's good. But Yoshi, did you know that one person's given you $30 and another person's given you $10? Isn't that nice of them to want to help you? Yeah, to want to help pay for your problems. Yeah, I think it's very nice. Do you have anything to say? Can you say thank you? You just really want pats, don't you? You want to keep rolling your head around. Oh, sorry, Yosh. But can you say thank you? You're just gonna say duk duk duk. Okay, okay.